Hello guys, good evening. Ito ang aking mga babies guys.
Is there something under my arm?
Si Dodi,
I mean, seriously, it feels like there's something
si
there.
Dangdi,
Oh,
Cha
hey, how'd you get under there?
si Aya, mga baby, si Duday,
Just slayed it. Played a
Summer,
mean center all week. She owned the thing. That's my girl.
watching Netflix. So, kumusta kayo guys? Kami sa bahay lang. Ito lang aming ganap lagi. Ayan. Oh, inaantok pa, Marites, na babata. Ito ang aking pinaka magandang baby. Si Aya.
Congratulations.
Ayan si Aya guys.
Wow, that's pretty.
Wala, update lang tayo sa ating gabi na. Update lang tayo. Ating muka guys. Sa aming mga muka.
Alright, Chief.
Ayan lang ang aming ganap for tonight's video. Watching pala ng ano, The Cleaning Lady.
Why? He's going through some stuff and suspension's almost over, so maybe don't ask him about it, okay? So, why don't you
Baby,
take a shower?
tingnan nyo ang kanyang kilay.
I'll
Nag-allergy siya.
yeah?
Wala yung kilay niya na isa. See the difference. Hoy, bad.
I guess I'm not upset. This is just what I need, JD getting to be Jazz's hero when my life's a big fat mess. This is not what she thinks. Do you know it? Look, JD's great, and most of her life has been stationed overseas. I get it. I just don't know how this is going to work, or how I'm going to get my crap together.
Magbabalik na kami sa aming pag-vlog guys. Kasi para may progress tayo sa ating life. At may video tayo araw-araw para sa for documentation. Documentation. Hindi, parang mga ano tayo ba? Babalikan ng videos, di ba? At least araw-araw ano mo. Ayan, chow. Tingnan niyo yung kilay ni Doding. Tingnan niyo si Duday.
That's all this. I didn't order this much.
No, you didn't. Armin did.
Boxes and boxes of necklaces. You really want to sell this on the street?
We tried things earlier, Tony. Now we're doing it my way.
Hello guys.
Doing this is against everything I stand for. And clearly it doesn't matter to you.
What matters to me is we make a real profit. That's what this will allow us to do.
You think it's that simple? Huh? You really think it's that simple?
My buddy has a contact. You always like that. All these drugs, 200 grand, easy.
Okay, what do you think will happen when the drugs hit the streets? Dealers don't care about anything but money. They won't sell it to anybody. It doesn't matter if people die. Overdose. Doesn't matter.
All I know is these boxes when you get to my guy tonight. What he does with them after that is not my concern.
Well, you might not care about what happens to people, but I do.
That motel manager?
He's threatening my family.
Robert Kandar is threatening money. Everything you've needed, I've done for you. I don't ask questions, I don't judge you. I can do whatever it takes to keep you safe.
Haba na natin.
You can appreciate that?
I'm on it. I am helping. Come this way. You do this, I'm out.
So after all that, all I see got off my phone was text, cryptic text, private messaging. She only had the phone a few days. Burn the phone off. Any idea who this
Kamusta na kayo,
is?
guys? Ayan. So, bukas na.
Mentions him 5 times in 2
Upload
days.
na tayo, guys. Everyday na tayo mag-upload. Bahala na kung ano mga content natin. So, daily life lang naman natin ang ating i-upload. So,
Mr. Spidey sent
sana manood kayo, guys. Pasensyahan nyo na yung aking background. Kasi nakalat talaga ang aming bahay, guys.
Timestamp is correct.
Then, dito.
Happening in the next week or so.
Basta.
Coffee at the office isn't great. This stuff is nasty. Why exactly are they here? Because if you really want to know what's happening in the drug team, you gotta ask the queen.
Maganda tong ano, guys. Yung Clean Lady na movie. Sa Netflix. Tingnan mo.
It's always a pleasure. Special Agent Tyler Jefferson. Well, you are special. What can I do for you, Sugar? We'll make it quick. We got Drive Brothers from Twin Market. We're looking for someone with by the thread. Could be a dealer, could be a supplier. It sounds like he's got a big deal going down sometime this week. You heard anything about that? When I saw this was me. And there's my dear founding father. Okay, so there was this British fellow. No special case.
Hindi.
He brought to his son. Maybe that's your guy. How are you for second?
Hindi. Hindi.
Although I said you thought watch. She did it again. It's a good show to this fast one.
He's cheating.
Oh.
You must have had a lead line. Like when we first met. Just a waitress in a backstreet bar. And I never tried to steal your tips.
Ano ba?
That was the first time I saw them.
I'm a cool street person.
Hindi.
I'm on. I'm just...
I'll go take your
Wow,
lunch.
magaling, guys. Ayun. Natakot siya sa mukha
My
niya.
bouncers sound sick to me. You'll be clean.
Kacha.
Not where I'm at. That's the uniform. I'm sorry I couldn't make an exception. Our deal was like elected. That's for you. I'm not muscle fried. Our deal was you let me do what I need till the 1.6 is paid.
Kacha.
You prepared to do that? Thank you. What are you like, Costco now? Oxley, edges, curves, things. Joke.
Can you help me offload these or no?
I'm sure I know a few guys who could take feelings off of videos.
Not street dealers and clinics, vets, the VA, medical professionals.
I think you're confused about
I may not be licensed here, but I still took an oath to do no harm.
Depends on where. It'll take a few minutes, but
Thank you. Donate. We did it. We got a call. What? We got a call. We got an interview with an event planner in 30 minutes.
Kaya naman na yung vlog, guys. See you tomorrow.